What would you do if you had 15 minutes with me?
I'd show you exactly how to make $3K per month with your first copywriting client, just like I showed all these guys. There are two main ways that you can go ahead and get paying copywriting clients off the bat with no prior experience, and that is through warm outreach and cold outreach. So let's start with warm outreach because it's faster. This is called the 24-hour outreach method, and it's called that for a reason. Just like all of these guys who got their very first client within the first couple of days or weeks of starting copywriting and using this very method. So here's the simple step-by-step. You take everybody that you know and everybody who knows who you know, and you write them all down in a spreadsheet. Then you figure out who of them has a business that you can write your copy for. Tell them that you're starting digital marketing and you're just looking for a few testimonials, so you're not actually looking to get paid from them at the beginning. But once you get results for them, then of course you can ask to be compensated for your work. Trust me, you'd be surprised of how many people you know actually do own a business or know somebody who does own a business. So actually try it and you'll be surprised. So let's say you have no friends and nobody loves you because you're an asshole. The next best option is cold outreach. This means finding business owners online and outreaching to them. Well, where do you find these businesses? Well, the easiest spots are YouTube and Instagram. All you have to do is look for businesses that are already using email marketing or websites and sales funnels, and they're already using copy to sell more things. Now, I'll put some examples here on screen. But where do you pitch to the clients and what do you even say? Well, you can pitch to them on anywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, doesn't really matter. I've done the test, I've collected the data, and it shows that it doesn't really matter where you outreach to them. As long as you follow these 3 rules: be personal, be different, and always provide value in your outreach. But what are you supposed to say? Well, I say open up with a spear opener. Short, personalized, expecting a response. And of course, once they reply, create some copy that they can use, send it over to them. Once they see your copy is awesome, they will want to hire you. And if they end up ghosting you like your high school crush, then just keep following up over time. But how do you want to follow up? You want to use the BBL method. This is where they either book a call with you or they block you, and anything in between is a loss. BBL. But one of the most powerful follow-up methods I've ever seen is the meme follow-up. Here is an example. And just as a disclaimer, make sure your memes are easy to understand and actually appropriate. Business owners do not want your Diddy baby oil memes. Now look, if you want a ton more examples of outreach that have actually worked for me and my students and gotten us clients, make sure you go down below and download the free copy starter kit. It's only 3 clicks away. So if you follow every single thing I said in this video, you're gonna have business owners who wanna get on a call and discuss more with you, negotiate a price and a deal with them, and you will get your very first copywriting client. Do this a few more times and you'll have a $10,000 per month income that you can make money from anywhere. Now this video was just over a minute long, but if you want the full 2-hour outreach course, then I'll put that on screen now for you to watch afterwards.